What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a side part sew-in. I have a few videos on this already, but I'm just going to show you guys again because, like always, I learned some new things and I'm going to share it with you guys. So first, you see me parting where the side part is going to be, and I'm just going to part out the leave out and braid it down so that it stays out of the way when it comes time for me to braid the foundation. So here I'm just leaving a little bit of the edges out just so that it covers any of the tracks and anything like that. I always try to leave out at least just a little bit, especially when the side part is not coming directly towards the face. So now I'm going to begin starting the foundation, and I changed my foundation method just a little bit. Now I like to braid a braid close to where the leave out is going to be, and then braid the rest of the braids going down just so that the track is very close to the leave out and there's not like a huge gap. If you look at my other videos, you will see that when I do it going straight down, it's kind of like a gap from where the leave out is. It's not really anything wrong with it, but I just like it to be closer. That's just a preference of mine. And now I'm just starting my regular foundation method with all the braids going down. You'll see me do the same thing throughout this video. I'm going to kind of speed up this part just a little bit more because this is just regular smegular braids going down. So I kind of already started sewing in the bundles, but you can see the finished results of the what do you call it? The foundation. You can see how the foundation actually turned out, and I did it in a way to where the braids are close together so that the tracks are, more secure. And she has 3 bundles of hair from my hair company, Shy Desire Extensions. If you guys are wondering, the link will be in the description box down below. Go get you some bundles, and yeah. Now I'm going to begin pressing out the leave out in just a second after I comb the hair out. She did attempt to, oh well, I'm gonna let it dry. That's what I was getting to. So she did attempt to dye the hair, the reddish color that you see on her real hair, but it kind of just tinted it to like a dark burgundy. So I'm gonna finish drying the hair just so that when I'm flat ironing it, the hair is completely dry and it's not still a little bit damp. So I'm using my hair dryer that I got for Christmas. Y'all, I love this hair dryer. I wanted it for so long because it just gives me like more times to do other stuff rather than just sitting there with the blow dryer in my hand and just doing it. Like I could be sewing my needles, threading my needles. If I was doing a frontal, I could be customizing a frontal or whatever. So yes, I love this. I got it from Amazon. It works really, really well. It's just like the kind of dryer that you sit in when you actually go to a shop. So now I'm just flat ironing the weave hair so that it's easier when I get to blending the natural hair with the weave hair. This is probably my favorite part because I just like seeing how natural I could actually make the hair blend with the weave hair. So that's what you're going to see. I'm going to flat iron everything and then press out her natural hair to make it blend with the weave hair. Her hair is not, like her hair is really thick, but it's also silky. So yeah. So for the baby hair, I am using Murray's. I seen a few comments on my last video about y'all talking about me using Murray's. And if it works for me, then it works for me. Use what works for you. Anyways, for the baby hair, it's super, super simple. You just comb and slick. Like, you kind of swoop it and then continue brushing it back. Like, you could go watch some of my other videos if you are just not getting the hang of baby hair. I know a lot of people, they know how to do the whole install, but the baby hair is just what gets them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yes, I am using Murray's for those very unneeded comments on my last video. Now, this is the finished product. I thought it came out very, very nice, very natural, and very cute. She also wanted me to tell you guys not to worry about the red stuff on her face. It's dye. So, yeah.